How to fix low microphone volume in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix low microphone volume on your Windows device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is hover over your taskbar's volume option, then right click on it. Then you'll find sound settings, tap on that. After you do that, your settings will open up. Right here, you can see your input device, and there you can see the volume for your input device as well. Now, this is the volume for your microphone. Simply make sure that this is all the way up to 100, and doing that should basically fix your problem if this is just the case. If that's not the case, tap on this option right here. Let me go back. Tap on this option right here that says your microphone. Now, this is the microphone that your device uses. Tap on that, and as you can see, this is the device. Now make sure that this is all the way up to 100 as well. After doing that, you can test your microphone from here. Tap on start test, and then you can see the volume go up and down. So here you can see the test mode is there as well. So under audio enhancements, what you can do is simply tap on that and make sure that there is no excessive enhancements. So you can simply turn off audio enhancements as well, and doing that should fix your issue, guys. All you have to do is turn your microphone all the way up to 100, and that should fix the low volume issue. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.